Noticing blurry visuals or pixelated playback on your ONN device? Let's fix that fast. Here are the top solutions to restore crisp, smooth streaming. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your trusted space for tech fixes and smart solutions. Today, we are tackling poor picture quality on ONN streaming devices, whether it's fuzzy resolution, laggy visuals, or choppy playback. We have got you covered. Method 1. Lower the streaming resolution. When you are experiencing poor picture quality on your ONN device, start by checking if your resolution settings are too high for your current network or TV. Go to Settings, then Display and Sound, then Resolution. Select a lower resolution. Once done, test the playback. Method 2. Optimize your Wi-Fi connection. Next, let's make sure your internet connection isn't the culprit. Move your ONN device closer to the router, restart both devices. Check your signal under Settings, then All Settings, then Network and Internet. Try switching between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands for better performance. Method 3. Check HDMI cable and port. A faulty HDMI connection can distort your video output. Ensure the cable is securely plugged in. Try a different port and inspect for damage. Replace if needed. Method 4. Update on firmware. Outdated firmware can cause rendering issues, so let's update your system. Go to Settings, then All Settings, then System, then About, then System Update. Install any available updates and restart your device. Method 5. Test other apps or channels. Let's rule out app-specific glitches by trying other streaming apps. If others work fine, restart your ONN and check for updates in the affected app. Method 6. Adjust VPN settings. VPNs can interfere with streaming quality, so let's test both setups. Disable your VPN if active, or try enabling a trusted one to bypass throttling, whichever gives better results. Method 7. Reach out to ONN support. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it's time to get expert help. Contact ONN support for advanced troubleshooting or warranty assistance. And that's a wrap. Your ONN device should now be delivering sharp, smooth video. If this helped, hit that thumbs up and subscribe to Silicophilic for more tech tips. Got your own fix or still need help? Drop a comment. We are always listening. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one.